Hello there, and welcome to Key Stage 2 Higher Year 6 Multiples in Maths. So let's show you how this works. So the first question, which number in the box are multiples of 3? So which numbers in the box are multiples of 3? Okay, so let's work out first of all what multiples are. So if you see the description box here in front of you, it gives you an idea. Multiples are numbers made by multiplying together two sets of numbers. So 12, 90, 240, and 3000 are all multiples of 3. These numbers are divided and are divisible by 3. So any big number that is divisible by a prime number or smaller number is a multiple. Let's show you some examples. So let's see which of these examples in front of us are actually multiples of 3. So first of all, 296. Let's see if this is a multiple of 3. Let's divide 296 by 3 and see if 3 can go into 296. So 3 cannot go into 0. So 3 cannot go into 2, so we just stick a 0 at the top. Now we join the 2 9 together to make 29. Okay, so we're just doing bus stop division here. How many times can 3 go into 29? So 3 can go into 29 9 times, because 3 times 9 is 27. So we have 2 left as a remainder, which will just stick next to the 6 on the left hand side to make 26. How many times can 3 go into 26? 3 can go into 26 8 times, because 3 times 8 is 24. And that leaves us with a remainder of 2. Now, because we have a remainder, that means that 296 is not a multiple of 3, because 3 cannot divide into 296. Let's try the next number. Let's divide it by 3 again. So 3 goes into 4 once, and remainder is 1. So let's put 1 next to the next one to make 11. So 3 goes into 11 3 times, because 3 times 3 is 9. And we have 2 left over as a remainder. So let's stick the 2 next to the 2 that we already have to make 22. How many times can 3 go into 22? 3 goes into 22 7 times, because 3 times 7 is 21. So we have 1 left over as a remainder. So let's put that 1 next to the 0 to make 10. How many times can 3 go into 10? 3 goes into 10 3 times, because 3 times 3 is 9, remainder 1. Now, because again we have a remainder, that means 4120 is not a multiple of 3. So in this case, we're just going to cancel this out, because it's not easily divisible as there's a remainder. Now let's go on to the next number, 930 divided by 3. So 3 goes into 9 3 times. 3 goes into 1. 3 goes into 3 once. And can 3 go into 0? No. So that 0 then just comes up to the top. So 3 goes into 930 310 times. Now, because there is no remainder, this will be a multiple of 3. So 930 will be a multiple of 3. So we'll just tick that for now. Let's go on to the next number, which is 2004. Can 3 divide into 2? No. So let's just stick a 0 on top. Let's join 2 and 0 together now to make 20. So 3 goes into 20 6 times, because 3 times 6 is 18. We have a remainder of 2. So let's put the 2 next to the following 0 to make 20 again. So 3 divides into 26 times, because 3 times 6 is 18. Again, we have another remainder of 2, which we will just place on the left-hand side of 4 to make 24. How many times can 3 divide into 24? Well, 3 divides into 24 exactly 8 times, because 3 times 8 is 24. So that means that 3 goes into 2004 668 times. So we can tick that, because 2004 is a multiple of 3, as we do not have a remainder. So we have 2 more questions to go. Let's divide 825 by 3 again. So 3 goes into 8 twice because 3 times 2 is 6. We have a remainder of 2 left. Let's stick the 2 next to the following 2 to make 22. So 3 goes into 22 7 times because 3 times 7 is 21. And we have a remainder left. So let's put that remainder next to 5 to make 15. How many times can 3 go into 15? Well, if we do our 3 times table, then 3 times 5 will be 15. So as we can see, there is no remainder. So 825 divided by 3 is 275. So 825 is also classed as a multiple of 3. Let's do the last example that we have here. So 3 divides into 7 twice with 1 as a remainder. So let's stick that 1 next to 2 to make 12. How many times can 3 go into 12? It can go into 12 4 times because 3 times 4 is 12. And we have the last 6 remaining now. Can 3 divide into 6? Yes, it can. 3 goes into 6 twice. So 726 divided by 3 is 242, and there is no remainder. So we can say that 726 is also a multiple of 3. Now we have 4 multiples of 3 here. So let's have a look at the answers, the options that we've got, A, B, C, and D. So let's see which one fits our bill. So we have 903, 2004, 825, and 726. Let's just tick them off and double check. So B, 930, 2004, 825, and 726. So in this case, B will be our answer, okay? And try exactly the same technique for the rest of the questions, and good luck with this exercise. Thank you.